girl from the ghetto, hear my retro. Stepping at them dancing and claps. When the rest of them a beat them stiletto. When we step it off the echo, run through them city like a metro. Silencio. Aye, we not no time for the.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Makeup by Sunrise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, click that red button down below to subscribe so you know what's going on with me always. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my brows. Let's get into it. As of recently, for my brows, I've been using the Nakia K Eyebrow Pencil in black from my local beauty supply store. You can get it for about $2 or $3. I love using this pencil because it's dual-sided. One side has a spoolie, which is basically an eyebrow brush, and then the other side is the eyebrow pencil. You also will need a sharpener just in case if the point is dull and you just want to, make sure you get your stuff sharpened up. And you also want a compact mirror if you don't have a big mirror in front of you. I use a compact mirror sometimes because then I can see exactly where I'm drawing the lines at and where I'm filling in for my brow. So here you'll see me taking a clean rag and I'm just wiping off whatever excess moisture that was around my eyebrows so that I have a clean slate to start off with. Now that we're up close, I can now go into detail of how I complete my brow tutorial. So first, I'm going to be using the end with the spoolie to brush up all my brow hairs from the very beginning all the way down to the end. My natural brows are pretty sparse and thin. It has a little slight arch, not too crazy, so it's easy for me to just follow the natural shape of my brow when filling them in. So as you can see, I started at the bottom, at the very inner corner of my eyebrow at the bottom, making small strokes all the way down to the end. So while I'm doing that, I'm keeping in mind the shape of my eye and the shape of my brow. Where I start in the beginning starts nearly where the inner corner of my eye is, and where I end is almost at the end of the outer corner of my eye. So you don't want to go past your actual brow bone that you can feel on your face. From there, I'm going to use the very tail end of the brow line that I just made on the bottom and start making an open triangle at the top, carrying the line slowly but surely and kind of filling it in at the same time, if you guys get what I'm saying. Once the end of your brow is pretty much filled in, you're going to continue on the top of your brow, going with the small strokes, moving towards the front of your eyebrow. So now you should be seeing an open kind of rectangle shape for the beginning of your brow. And that should be able to show you the shape of your brow overall. So it should look kind of like a rectangle in the front and then very, very small on the end, close it in like a triangle. So from there, you're going to make small strokes in between those sparse parts along your natural brow. And then you're going to use the spoolie to blend out those parts in the front. You're not going to leave it like this. You're going to flip the pencil on the other end and basically use a back and forth motion and a brushing upward motion, brushing the hairs up. So then now the brow hairs and the strokes that you made with the pencil will start to blend in. And you can also use your fingers or a Q-tip to blend out the front. At this point, you can leave your brows like this, honestly. Just fill in the other brow and that's that. But if you want to take it up a notch, usually when I do a full face of makeup, this is what I do next. I grab my concealer that's the closest to my skin tone, and I grab a small concealer brush that has a fine tip point, and I use the concealer to clean up underneath my brow. Very, very simple. When filling in your brows, remember the goal is always to follow the natural shape of your eyebrow. Do not do the most and create block brows. Follow the natural shape of your brows and you will be okay. After filling in both eyebrows and applying concealer, this is our final look. Let me know what you guys think. Send me pictures, send me DMs if you guys got any questions about any part of this tutorial. Let me know. I want to hear back from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Share this video. See you guys next time. Bye.